10 health benefits of aloe vera juice. Reasons to drink aloe vera juice every day. In this video, let's learn about the potential benefits of aloe vera and drinking aloe vera juice, along with the possible side effects. Egyptians called the aloe vera the plant of immortality 6,000 years ago. It has been used for thousands of years all over the world as a medicinal plant. Today, aloe vera is one of the most commonly grown plants and one of the most useful. It has well-known medicinal uses and it has earned its place as a home remedy for many diseases and ailments, from relieving heartburn to potentially slowing the spread of breast cancer. Aloe vera juice is a gooey, thick liquid made from the flesh of the aloe vera plant leaves. It's commonly known to treat sunburns, but drinking this healthy elixir in juice form provides you with a number of other health benefits. Aloe vera juice is a popular choice at many health food cafes and natural food stores. Before we begin, don't forget to follow and subscribe to our fan page, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Also, turn on notifications so you never miss our new articles and videos. 10 benefits of aloe vera and drinking aloe vera juice. Number 1. Providing vitamin C. About 8 ounces of fortified aloe vera juice contains 9.1 grams of vitamin C. This vitamin is vital for a person's overall health, as it is a natural antioxidant and helps fight inflammation. Vitamin C has a variety of specific benefits, from reducing a person's risk of cardiovascular diseases to improving immune system functions. Getting enough vitamin C also enhances the body's ability to absorb iron from plant-based foods. Number 2. Controlling blood sugar level. According to a 2016 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Clinical Pharmacy and Therapeutics, the analysis examined studies that collectively included 470 participants. Aloe vera may have some potential benefits in controlling blood sugar among people with pre-diabetes and type 2 diabetes. Number 3. Preventing stomach ulcers. Aloe vera juice may have additional digestive benefits, such as reducing incidence of stomach ulcers and improving digestion, according to research from 2014. The many anti-inflammatory compounds in aloe vera juice, such as vitamin C, may contribute to these digestive effects. Number 4. Relieves constipation. Aloe vera juice helps regulate the digestive system in cases of both constipation and diarrhea. It has 12 anthraquinones, which are laxatives. It also regulates the gut bacteria and promotes the well-being of the entire digestive system. Number 5. Liver function. Aloe vera juice is an excellent way to keep your liver healthy. That is because the liver functions best when the body is adequately nourished and hydrated. Aloe vera juice is ideal for the liver because it's hydrating and rich in phytonutrients. Number 6. For clear skin. Hydrating aloe vera juice may help reduce the frequency and appearance of acne. It may also help reduce skin conditions like psoriasis and dermatitis. Aloe vera is a rich source of antioxidants and vitamins that may help protect your skin. The important compounds in aloe vera have been shown to neutralize the effect of ultraviolet or UV radiation, repairs your skin from existing UV damage, and helps prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Number 7. Heartburn relief. Drinking aloe vera juice may give you relief when heartburns attack. The compounds present in aloe vera juice helps control the secretion of acid in your stomach. The effects have been shown to combat gastric ulcers and keep them from getting larger. Number 8. Digestive benefits. Aloe vera contains several enzymes known to help in the breakdown of sugar and fat and to keep your digestion running smoothly. Aloe vera may help decrease irritation in the stomach and intestine. The juice may also help people with irritable bowel syndromes or IBS and other inflammatory disorders of the intestine. Aloe vera was also beneficial to people suffering from ulcerative colitis in an earlier double-blind placebo-controlled study. Number 9. Alkalizes the body. The human body functions optimally when there is a balance between acidity and alkalinity. This is maintained by the food we eat. For the ideal balance between the two, our food should be 80% alkaline and 20% acidic. Aloe juice makes our body alkaline and helps keep the optimal balance needed for functioning. Diseases do not survive or flourish in a body which has the proper acid-alkaline balance. Number 10. Fights inflammation. Inflammation can be present in the body for many reasons, such as injury or as an autoimmune response, causing pain and reducing the capacity of functioning. Aloe vera juice has fatty acids, salicylic acids, and hormones called auxins and gibberellins that helps in combating inflammation. These anti-inflammatories work in stimulating the immune system functions and collagen growth, or by blocking the paths of irritants. In fact, beta-sitosterol is used by many runners to reduce or prevent swelling after a competition. How to make aloe vera juice. You will need 1 large aloe vera leaf, 700 ml of water, blender. Method: slice the leaf in half using a sharp knife and scoop out the aloe vera gel inside. This is a clear, thick substance which contains all the healthy nutrients. Store this gel in an airtight container. Add 2 tablespoons to the blender with the spring water. Blend on a low setting for 3 minutes until the gel is fully mixed with the water. You can drink this fresh or add this to other smoothies and healthy juices to enhance the flavor. Drink this once per day to boost your health. Notes: do not use any more than 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel per batch, as this can be a powerful laxative if used too much. Drinking too much aloe vera juice may also cause stomach aches and electrolyte imbalances, according to the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. Drinking aloe vera juice in moderation is essential. If a person experiences stomachache or other symptoms, they should stop drinking this juice. If you like the video, please like, share with your friends to support the channel. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our fan page, YouTube channel, Instagram, and Pinterest, and turn on notifications so you never miss our new articles and videos. Wishing you health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next topics.